Hello, Mr. Alvarez. My name is Lana. I will be your occupational therapist today, and I will perform a test to see how your muscles work. Can you please stay next to me? And I will show you the motion. Please follow me. Put your head all the way back, look into the ceiling, and then straight, all the way down, and back up. Turn your head to the right side, and look straight. Turn your head to the left side, and back straight. Bend your body to the right side, and straight. Bend yourself to the left side, and straight. Put your shoulders all the way up, and then all the way down. Bring them all the way forward, and all the way back. Now bring your arms up to the ceiling, and then all the way back. And now bring your arms up sideways, all the way up, and then all the way down. Now put your arms up behind your head, and then behind your back. Now put your arms in front of you and touch your shoulders. Great. Put your arms like this, palms facing down. Now palms up, palms down. Bring your arms in front of you. Point your fingers all the way down and then all the way up and straight. Make a fist. Spread your fingers. Put them back together. Turn your fingers in. Turn your fingers out and straight. And then touch each of your fingers with a thumb. Great. Okay, Mr. Alvarez, we will continue to the next part of our assessment. I will show you the motion and I will take some more measurements. Is that okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please turn a little bit that way? Alright. Can you please put your hand all the way up to the ceiling as far as you can go? I need to turn. You can put it down. And now can you put your arm all the way out as far as you can go? Keep your shoulder down. Thank you. Now can you please put your arm all the way up to the ceiling through your side? I need to turn a little bit to the camera. Thank you. Okay, now we will put your arm all the way up in front of you and then all the way across, as far as you can go across your chest. Okay, do not lift your shoulder, keep your arm straight. Just like that. Perfect. Thank you. And we will do the same thing. You put your arm in front of you, all the way straight, keep your shoulder down, and then put your arm all the way out as far as you can go. Thank you. Now, can you please bring your arm all the way out to your side and do like this. Alright, keep your shoulder out, down. Okay, and then bring your fingers down as far as you can go. Do not lift your shoulder, keep your shoulder down. Alright, let's try it again. Do it like this, as far as you can go. Do not bend your arm, like that. Perfect. Thank you. And now your arm to the side bring it forward like this, and try to bring it all the way up as far as you can go. Thank you. You can put it down. Okay, now we will put your elbow next to your side and fingers pointing up, yeah, thumb pointing up, and now bring it all the way in to your chest, keeping your elbow to your side. Okay, great. Perfect. And now do the same thing. Put your elbow to your side, like that. And then turn it all the way out as far as you can. Thank you, you can put it down. Okay, now can you please put your arm like this and then touch your shoulder with your fingers as far as you can go. Just keep it straight like that. Okay, thank you. Now put your arm like this again and then always straight down. Perfect. Now can you please sit down? Okay. I will turn this side over. Put your arm like this next to you. Keep your elbow to yourself, okay? Now can you please turn your palm all the way up? Is that how far you can go? Yeah? No, just so you feel comfortable? Yeah. Thank you. And now put your arm like this, elbow to you, okay? And now put your arm, put your fingers, put your palm all the way down. Great, thank you.